With Dura Supreme Cabinetry, you can beautifully align your doors and drawers to your liking. Our full overlay hinge for our Bria Frameless product line allows for a three-way adjustment of the cabinet door, allowing you to adjust the door position horizontally, vertically, and in depth. This helps you fine-tune the reveal around the cabinet door. To get started, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Access the adjustment screws by removing the cover plate from the hinge. Note the locations of the horizontal, vertical, and depth adjustment screws. For horizontal adjustment, turn the horizontal adjustment screw counterclockwise to shift the cabinet door to the right. Turn the screw clockwise to shift the cabinet door to the left. For vertical adjustment, turn the vertical adjustment screw counterclockwise to shift the cabinet door upwards. Turn the screw clockwise to shift it down. To increase the depth or size of the reveal between the cabinet door and the cabinet, turn the depth adjustment screw counterclockwise. To decrease the depth, turn the screw clockwise. Next, check that the cabinet door has been properly adjusted. Once the cabinet door has been properly adjusted, reinstall the hinge cover plates. Lastly, our cabinetry comes standard with soft close doors and drawers. To activate or deactivate the soft close feature, locate the light gray on-off switch on the hinge. Flip the switch towards the 0 icon to turn off and flip towards the 1 icon to turn on. Thank you for choosing Dura Supreme Cabinetry.